because I feared that it would provoke another wave of Islamophobia.
जब ऐसे एक्टर्स साथ में हो तो डांट खाने का खतरा हमेशा बना रहता है.
But as Nasir sab always tells me कि इमेजिनेशन का इस्तेमाल करो. पाकिस्तानी बोलिए, पाकिस्तान में ही खर्च करेंगे ना.
No, yeah, when you release something, you're hoping that people like it.
Yep.
And, it will be too pompous to imagine that something like this will happen, this kind of response. But as it pours in, it is overwhelming. It makes you feel smaller, actually. The amount of love that is being offered to us so far is outstanding. And I'm absolutely grateful. Can I just stand up and thank all these people?
Please do, sir. Please do. And this absolutely.
पंकज भाई, नसीर भाई, आप सब लोग. Thank you for doing this.
I would rather give it to the amount of research that we did on the show. I mean, writing screenplays is possibly the last step.
Nice.
But there is so much that
Very
happens
humble of you, sir.
Before that. So the research, the meetings, the meeting everybody, and then sort of trying to crack a story. So
True.
it was a whole process that took 5 years.
I can't say that I was about 50
Sir.
when this happened, end of the previous century. I remember being extremely disturbed because I feared that it would provoke another wave of Islamophobia, and luckily at that time it didn't. But I remember feeling terribly concerned about the situation and what it would lead to, and there was a feeling of ambivalence at the end when the whole crisis was resolved, because I was left with a feeling of unease when the deal was struck. I could not pinpoint why I feel this, but I did feel that the passengers and the pilot had been through an absolutely horrifying time, and this was no closure. This is what I remember feeling. While playing it, of course, I've never been in a crisis management meeting or anywhere near any of these things. But what appealed to me was the thought of playing with all these wonderful actors. It just seemed like being in heaven to be with 7-8 actors who you love and admire. I can't think of any happier situation than that. So I don't think I recalled any of what I felt at that time.
See, I would say that I'm somebody who goes through the entire script.
Ji.
And because Anubhav told me that it's about 200 pages, and I was short on time, so I wondered whether I'll be able to go through those 200 pages before I address the character that is being offered to me. But with God's grace, I managed to go through them. And I was really... But I was really, really impressed with the writing. I felt it was a very taut screenplay and very well-written script, which is why I wanted to be a part of it. And in any case, I have a kind of soft corner for this gentleman. I've worked in a couple of films with him earlier. Even otherwise, he's like a younger brother to me. So once he offered me, he was half apologetic about it. But once I read the screenplay, I thought it was a very good series to be a part of. That's how I landed over there. And when I got to know that these are the actors who are going to be part of it, it was really, as Nasir Saab said, that was a pleasure to be among all of them.
Absolutely, absolutely. अनुभव सर, आपको सौरव गांगुली वाली फीलिंग नहीं आई कभी, जिनकी टीम में सचिन, द्रविड़, सहवाग, वीवीएस, जहीर खान सब भरे पड़े हैं? Almost, because this is just amazing. I haven't seen a project like this before.
Actually, when we were finishing casting, it didn't feel like, once the poster came out,
Ji.
then even to me, it looked like, so in the room, I had these 9 or 10 fantastic actors, and I had to, so you're dealing with targets. You have to finish X number of scenes every day.
Ji, bilkul.
And then you have to, and they're all different kinds of, इनकी preparations अलग हैं. So all that energy, and it was something very organic that was going on. And I just was a fly on the wall, and I was just watching them, and मैं बीच बीच में वो fly उड़ के जाती थी, एक कैमरा लगा के आ जाती थी, फिर दूसरा कैमरा लगा के आ जाती थी. And it was like I was telling somebody the other day, I was this child in the room who was catching butterflies, and they were flying all around me. It's probably the most memorable experience of 31 years of directing, those 6 days. It was outstanding.
मनोज सर एक से एक 30 मार्क हाँ जब साथ में आते हैं तो या तो प्रेशर इजी हो जाता है या दुगना हो जाता है. अब आप एक तो परिचित हैं सबसे अच्छे से, इतने सालों से आप इनसे के साथ काम करते आ रहे हैं. वॉज इट इजियर या उल्टा दुगना पड़ गया था प्रेशर?
नहीं, प्रेशर तो बढ़ ही जाता है, क्योंकि जब ऐसे एक्टर्स साथ में हो तो डांट खाने का खतरा हमेशा बना रहता है.
पढ़ी क्या सीरीज के?
पढ़ जाती.
पढ़ी क्या?
पढ़ी नहीं, वो उसको संभाल के, लेकिन पढ़ सकती है, ये आपको हमेशा एहसास रहता है. तो
जी,
एक नर्वसनेस तो बनी हुई थी.
वाह. अरे और कुमुद सर, आप और मनोज सर एक साथ में, मैं जानता हूं, मैं हालांकि मैं आप वरिष्ठ हैं, मैं आपसे बहुत प्रेम करता हूं, पर मैं ये भी जानता हूं आप कितने मस्ती करते हैं बैक स्टेज पे, स्टेज के दौरान भी. लेकिन आप और मनोज भाई एक ही सेट पर अगर हों तो क्या क्या मस्खरियां हुई, मस्खरियां चलती रही, या बड़ा संजीदा काम हुआ है?
नहीं, संजीदा तो नहीं हो सकता है. मनोज भाई साथ में तो दो अलग कहानियां चल रही होती हैं. एक कहानी जो हम लोगों की आपस में चल रही होती है, दूसरी जहां कैमरा होता है. तो हाँ,
उसके बारे में चर्चा यहां नहीं करेंगे हम.
कई बार ऐसा होता था कि आई एम टॉकिंग टू नसीर भाई एंड पंकज भाई, एक्सप्लेनिंग द सीन टू देम, और पंकज भाई सवाल पूछते हैं और नसीर भाई सुनते रहते हैं. उनकी आंखें ऐसी आर पार जारी होती हैं. पीछे ना ये दो कैरेक्टर खड़े होते थे, ये और
इसीलिए पूछा उनसे.
और ये मुझे देख के ना ऐसे मुस्कुराते रहते थे. मजा आ रहा है तुमको?
और बनाओ इंटेंस
मेरे
सिनेमा.
पास उस स्माइल की एक फोटो है, वो मैं बाद में इंस्टाग्राम पे डालूंगा.
I think what mattered the most to me was Shalini's integrity.
True, ma'am.
And that's evident in the way she responds to the situation, the way it unfolds. And I think it's a dilemma that many of my friends, journalist friends, are dealing with till this day. Many of them who were a part of broadcast channels and newspapers today run their own independent YouTube channels.
जी.
And I was very intrigued about what that time must have been like for a woman in press and for a woman in power in press. And what was also exciting was the relationship, the jugalbandi between Nandini and Shalini, their rapport, their exchanges, and the very gentle but important insights that their exchanges bring to the story as it unfolds. And I had a great time. And I think as an artist, it's wonderful to play empowered women, intelligent thinking, empowered women. And I respect Anubhav Sinha for this very fact, because he's always gotten me to play such women. And it's such a privilege. And I'm so grateful to him and the way that they write women parts.
I think I did. Now that I watched it, I am able to feel like कुछ तो ऐसा हुआ था जो शायद मेरे कंट्रोल के बाहर था या मेरे काबू के बाहर था, जो कि हो गया. I think sometimes just there was no real effort to make him sound or look like the real life captain. That wasn't never the intention. He never showed me a picture of young Captain Devesh Sharan saying कि हमको ये achieve करना है. In fact, for the entire series, the intention was very clear. We're not recreating any of these. We're not imitating any of these characters. So that brief was also there for Captain. But when I met him and I spoke to him and I understood the nature of him and how soft-spoken and how sincere and dedicated and how much integrity he has, I try to kind of keep that energy with me, and I try to keep the spirit of the person that I met, and somehow maybe in the portrayal it was there and it connected. So I'm just thankful that this happened, and he was capturing it and through the lenses that probably worked, because the camera was always right next to my face on three sides all the time, and there was just green screen in front of me. So
You spent such a long time. आप वो cockpit के अंदर ही रहे होंगे, and of course naturally that green screen and everything, there's not much space for you to be actually doing something, but so much you did within that time.
Yeah, but when you have 3 cameras, then all your effort is sometimes just to make sure that you never land up your eye in the lens. And you're in the middle of crisis. Lahore khul gaya, Lahore khul gaya. And then I'm like, either camera, shit. So I can't, sorry for the French. But yeah, I had to, yeah. But as Nasir sab always tells me ki, imagination का इस्तेमाल करो. So that came in handy.
So obviously, cut बोलने के बाद तो हम यहाँ पे I couldn't have fun because it is not that kind
Yeah,
of a
true
show.
that.
It is intense and the environment is such that sometimes you don't go through such emotions on a daily basis. Sometimes as an actor, it's nice to be in that space. I somehow enjoyed being in that space. I knew that it's not a great space to be in, but maza aa raha tha, you know. But coming back to the claustrophobia inside the flight, because there were like some 100 odd junior artists, there were crew people, it was the cabin crew people, plus the camera, plus the EDs. It was hard, but also I felt that the space really helped me. It did something to me, and I think I was there because of the space.
मैं वो नेगोशिएशन वाले सीन से बाहर नहीं निकल पाया हूं मैं अभी तक के.
थैंक यू मतलब थैंक यू मतलब मुझे भी पता नहीं था कि इतना अच्छा लगेगा लोगों को, बट जेन्युइनली मैं तो बस कोशिश किया था कि नेगोशिएशन की तरह की जाए, और इससे ज़्यादा क्या बोलूँगा.
It's also-
थैंक यू.
ऐसा है कि पिताजी डांट भी रहे हैं, एक बॉस अथॉरिटी से बात भी कर रहा है, बहुत सारे लेयर्स हैं उसमें.
आ गए होंगे मतलब मेरे को बोलते हैं. मतलब मैं तो जैसे हमारे गुरुजन हैं वो लोग जो शिक्षा दी है कि स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ो, स्क्रिप्ट इज द बाइबल, मैं तो वही पढ़ता रहता हूँ और वही मेरा. बाकी लेयर आ गए, कैसे आ गए, कितने आ गए, वो छोड़ देता हूँ मैं.
My favorite dialogue is he says, क्या करेंगे $200 मिलियन का? पाकिस्तानी बोलिए, पाकिस्तान में ही खर्च करेंगे ना.
हर साल के अपने सेट ऑफ ड्राफ्ट्स रहे हैं, बट ये लास्ट सेट ऑफ ड्राफ्ट्स था जो मैंने और अनुभव सर ने साथ में बैठ के लिखा. तो उसके भी पता नहीं कितने, हर रोज़ मतलब शूट हो रहा होता था, और ये जो सीन्स हैं वो हम बैठ के इम्प्रोवाइज, वहाँ भी लिखाई हो रही थी. तो लिखाई आई थिंक शूट ख़त्म होने के दिन तक चली है. तो हर दिन की बैठे हैं कुछ एक उसमें, और फिर सर के साथ काम करने का एक फ़ायदा ये है कि हर बार सीन आपके पास है, उसमें थोड़ा सा कुछ ये कर देते हैं, थोड़ा सा कुछ वो कर देते हैं, क्योंकि हमारे पास इतने सारे ही ग्रेट एक्टर्स थे. तो वो लिखाई करने में मज़ा भी आया, वो एग्जॉस्टिंग भी थी, वो एक्सिलरेटिंग भी थी, पर ड्राफ्ट्स याद नहीं रखते.
मतलब कोई एक कहना तो
मुश्किल है.
बहुत मुश्किल है. मनोज भाई का वो नेगोशिएशन का जो पहला डायलॉग जब आया था, तो
आपका अरविंद सर का और मनोज सर का वो पर्टिकुलर सीक्वेंस बिना कुछ कहे जाने वाला, जब मनोज सर आके बोलते हैं मैं जाके बात करता हूँ, अरविंद सर आपसे बोलते हैं नहीं, एंड यू जिससे बात कर, है ना
जी.
I mean, nothing that that you actively try to catch on to or remember, but it does its own thing. I think also stories come to you at a certain point in your life when you're ready for them, or sometimes stories get you ready for something. So, but these things are so invisible. It's really like too philosophical to kind of make sense of it.
True, sir.
But I was deeply happy that Captain Devisharan enjoyed the work. He called and gave me a pat on the back, and also Mrs. Sharan. उन्होंने बोला कि I know this man more than he knows himself, and I can tell you that you've come very close to him. So that was
the biggest compliment that could come to you.
I think there was some responsibility that I didn't really understand when I was doing it, but when I heard it, I felt like शायद मेरी कोई responsibility थी जो मैंने ठीक से कर दी.
Well, it did take a toll on the physical health because I told you, and plus it was last year during the rains we were shooting. And again, I'm coming back to the fact that we were like some 100 odd crew people inside the flight. and somebody got some fever, and then it just went on with. We all got down with fever. Anubhav sir was shooting with a 102-degree fever, but the show went on. And I didn't realize what took a toll on me. After finishing the shoot that same night, I was taking a flight to somewhere else for some other shoot. And I didn't realize that what the shoot had done, you know. There's a point in the series where the toilet is overflowing, and, you know, my brilliant co-actor who did such a fine job, Aditi, she was inside the toilet and she was cleaning it up. And I don't know, somehow Anubhav sir created this mahol. We could literally smell the stench. All that actually left a toll, and it took some time for me to get rid of the thoughts.
रेडियो सिटी रग रग में दौड़े सिटी